Hi, need to know how to enter or exit safe mode on your Samsung Galaxy A25? As a first step, swipe down 2 times to open the control center and here click on this power button. Here we would need to click on this power off button once, and now as a next step we would need to hold this power button for a while until you'll see the icon change, but do not tap it, you need to hold it. Let's do it. You can see that the icon has changed, and now by clicking on this icon we will enter the safe mode. So let's click on it and wait until our phone will turn on again. So, next thing that you are going to see when your phone will turn on is this text at the left bottom corner, which is saying safe mode, which means that you are currently in the safe mode and you can start the debugging process. But always remember, every time when you are entering the safe mode, the airplane mode will be enabled, so you won't be able to use Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and mobile data. If you would like to use those, you would need to click on this airplane icon to disable it. And now you'll have access to Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile data. And now, last question, how to exit safe mode? For that, we would need to go to the notifications center, and here you can see this notification which is saying safe mode is on. Tap here to turn off safe mode. So let's tap on it and click turn off. After this, your phone will reboot again, and the second time when it will turn on, you will be in the normal mode. And this is it. Thanks for watching.